There are a couple of approaches to this question. So approach number one, I'm going to say that the small square has side lengths A and the big square is going to be B. That means that B squared, that's the area of the big square, minus A squared, the area of the small square, that's going to give me the shaded area. So I've got 62. And now if I focus on this triangle, I can apply Pythagoras' theorem. It must be that A squared plus B squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared, 10 squared, which is 100. And I've got simultaneous equations. I can add these two together, which is going to give me 2b squared is equal to 162. Therefore, b squared is equal to 81. I've just realized I probably should have subtracted them, but b is equal to 9. And I could sub it back in, so 81 minus a squared is 62. Therefore, a squared is going to be, what do I need to add to get 81? It's going to be 19. And therefore, a is the square root of 19. That is the length of kn. So what I was just saying is, yeah, if I subtracted the bottom from, sorry, the bottom minus the top would actually have given me straight away 2a squared is 100 minus 62, 38, and therefore a squared is 19. I would have avoided having to work out b squared, but anyway, it's just one extra little step. Right, method two. We could instead say that this length is a. Actually, I'm not going to use a because I'd link it too much to the next one. So let's say this is x, the small square is x, and the rest of this is now going to be y. So that means the big square is actually x plus y all squared. And if I minus the area of the small square, that's x squared, then that is going to be 62. So x squared plus y squared plus 2xy, when I expand this double bracket, minus x squared is 62. These cancel, so I've got y squared plus 2xy is 62. Again, let's apply Pythagoras' theorem, so this will also be x. So then I'll get x squared plus x plus y squared is equal to 100. I can multiply this out, x squared plus x squared plus, it's going to be y squared plus 2xy is equal to 100. But now I can see this is simply here 62 because I've worked it out before. And that means that 2x squared is going to equal 38, and we're on the same path now. So x squared is 19, x is the square root of 19. So, they're very similar really, but they just kind of work out in a slightly different way.